Yes. So, good morning, my dear students. I welcome back after a long time to my channel. So, here today we are going to discuss some important concept for your class 12 computer science examination. It is here on the screen. You can see the identifier rule, valid identifier, how to choose a valid identifier. For this, you have to know the identifier rule. Okay, so what do you mean by identifier? The name given to different parts of a program. It's called identifier, and there are some rules. Okay, you have to see this one when they will ask about it is a valid identifier or not. Then come to next concept that is called expression. Okay, so expression is the combination of the operands and the operator. Whenever you are going to solve any kind of expression, you need to follow the operator precedence table. Second one. Third one is your string concept. Okay. What do you mean by string concept here? String is a sequence of character enclosed within the single quoted, double quoted, or triple quoted. Okay. And when you want to add two string, that is called concatenation. When you replicate a string, that is called string replication, multiplication of the string. And there are some functions using in the string like capitalize, title, is offer, is lawyer, upper, lawyer. Okay, there are something is there, so we can use this one also. Then comes to the tuple case. How we'll define a tuple, how we'll access is an individual element of a tuple, and there are some varieties of function in the tuple that you should know. Then come to list. Okay, how to define a list, how to access each and individual element of a list, all the things. What is immutable and mutable? Okay, dynamic typing. These are the some concept you need to learn, you need to know before going to appear the examination. Then come to function. Why we use function in the Python program? What is the need of function in the Python program? First point. Second one, how what time the function will be called. Okay. Then what is parameter? What is argument? How in what are the methods we are passing the parameter? There are some argument is there. Okay. Then come to file handling concept. So in the file handling concept, there are some methods. We are using three files: text file, binary file, and CSV file. Text file are the normal file, binary file at the human. Okay, means it will not read directly. There are some conversion is required to read the binary file, and CSV file is the comma separated value file, is used for any database or spreadsheet file. So whenever you need to work with this file, so we have some module. For the binary files, we have pickle module. Okay, so whenever you want to work in the binary file, you need to open the import the pickle module. Then there are two methods is there: dump and load method. Dump method is for used for writing, and load method is for reading something from the binary file. Then come to CSV file. It is comma separated value file. There are some two functions are there: reader and writer function. Reader function is used to read something from the CSV file. Writer function is used to write something, write into the CSV file. Data structure, some stack concept. Okay, so there are data structure means arrange the data, the structure of the data. So we need some concept to arrange the data in a proper sequence. The stack is following one concept that is called but LIFO, last in first out order. That remember that order, last in first out. Those element will be enter to the stack last. That element will be come out from the stack first. That's why it is called LIFO. Okay, and there are some program is there by using the stack. Like suppose there are some operation will perform on the stack: push operation, pop operation, overflow, underflow. Okay, then pick. These are some operation we are performing on the top stack. So they maybe as some program that suppose you want to store some book. Okay, so first insert that book to the library or record, then remove one book, see visit all the things that is present. Okay, so these are called data structure. The networking concept, here the networking concept, you will learn the types of network. Okay, what are the different types of network is there, like LAN, WAN, MAN. Okay, and the local area network, metro area network, wide area network. Some network protocol like HTTP, FTP, SMTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Whenever we are using any website, anything, it is working that website, that web portal is working under HTTP protocol, HTTPS. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, secure. Okay, FTP, whenever we are sharing the files between different people, different objects, we need FTP protocol. SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, post office protocol, telecommunication network. Okay, for the remote communication. So there are some protocols, set of rules, guidelines for network, and we use some devices like switch, hub, gateway, router, that also you need to know properly before going to the examination. Then come to the database concept. You need to know the SQL part, structure, query language. There are some commands like create, alter, drop, select. Okay, mainly you are using select. They can ask you to kind of question. First one, in first case you need to write the query, and second case you need to write the output. Okay, so two cases are there. Some cases they will ask you to write the query. In some cases they will ask you to write the output in the program. Clear my point? So uh, then there are some group function like average, max, mean, count. Okay, count star, all the things. Distinct clause like operator for pattern matching. Distinct for remove the duplicate rows. Okay, these are the things. Then Python with database connection. Okay, how we connect the Python with the database? From for this we need some connector. Import MySQL connector. First we will connect to the Python to database through this MySQL connector. After connecting, we will create a connection object by giving the user ID and password. Okay, and the server. Suppose you are working in a same computer, it is local. If you are working on the different means remote, it is you will put the IP address. After that, you will create a result set. Okay, of this, whatever the result is coming from this query, that result will be stored in the result set, and finally it will, when it will be retrieved, it will move to the database. Okay, these are the several concepts, main important concept that you need to learn before going to the examination. So carefully listen this concept what I am telling. If there is any doubt in any particular concept, you just message me in this particular videos, then on that particular topic I will be make some video. Okay, within the 2 3, you have 2 days time in your hand, so just prepare properly for this and write in the examination. Thank you, have a nice day.